Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, magluluto tayo ng chicken gizzard and liver sarsa. Ito yung yummy stuff guys. So, sabayan niyo ako sa aking pagluluto, okay? Unang-una guys, pakuluan natin muna ang ating, this is our gizzard. Nilagyan ko ng garlic, ground pepper, and calamansi, half of chicken broth cube, and a little bit of salt. So, ito na siya guys. Ito yung ating chicken liver. Ito yung half a kilo of chicken liver guys. So, lagyan natin ito ng konting calamansi at saka konting salt at nailagay ko na guys ang ating atay ng manok. So, ito yung nilalagyan ko guys ng calamansi at saka konting asin at half broth cube. So, i-ano natin siya muna guys para hindi madurog yung ating atay. Natin guys ito, so hintayin na natin guys na mo-reduce a little bit yung kanyang sabaw guys ha, hindi pa yan, yung umpisa pa yan. Sweet potato, natin guys. So ready na ang ating atay guys. So na mag-uumpisa na tayo guys. So this is our chicken liver or gizzard. Ito yung bell pepper, calamansi, red onion, garlic, and our hot chili. Optional ito guys. Brown na siya guys, ilagay na natin ang ating red onion. Ilagay na natin ang ating gizzard guys na may cornstarch. At ilagay na natin guys ang ating atay ng manok. Yummy na ito guys. Lagay tayo guys ng bell pepper. This is pork and beans. This is pork and beans. Nilagyan mo pork and beans. Tsaka marami pa tayong ilalagay guys. Ito yung mushrooms natin, guys. So, that's our mushrooms. Sayang naman. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng ito yung pineapple. Okay. Maglagay tayo ng oyster sauce. One tablespoon of oyster. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Additional calamansi juice. Simmer natin guys ng 5 minutes kasi luto na siya lahat guys. At, sarap. Sarap ng mga pineapple guys. Ano? Sinahan natin ang apoy. Okay? Hi guys, ito na yung ating finished product. This is a chicken, gizzard, and liver sarsa. Look at guys. Sa amoy pa lang, ulam na. Look at guys. Yun. Ang sarap. So, masarap. Sarap ng luto ko. Ito na yung last natin guys. Yan. Yun ay isang chili. Mag-taste tayo guys ha. Ang bango. Sarap. Ang sarap nito guys. Tingnan nyo guys. So this is our chicken. May aso na guys. Ito yung chicken, liver, and gizzard sarsa. Ang sarap guys. Yum. This is good to pair with steamed rice, okay? Tingnan nyo. Okay. If you are just new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. And please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share. Have a good time. God bless. Bye. So guys, that is our final product. This is a chicken, liver, and gizzard sarsa. So, if you are just new to my channel guys, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Have a good time. Bye!